This is the War Brief Daily for June 27, 2026, covering the Russia-Ukraine war. Tonight we are tracking 4 major confirmed developments. Ukraine just executed one of the largest drone strikes in this war's history. Ukraine's security service claimed a naval strike operation against Russian ships in Kerch, Crimea. Russia simultaneously counterstruck Ukrainian cities with drones and ballistic missiles, and civilian casualties are confirmed. And both sides completed a 160 prisoner exchange, even as the war hits a new escalation peak. First, Ukraine's overnight drone bombardment. This is confirmed. Overnight into June 26, Ukraine launched what appears to be the single largest drone attack of the entire war. Russia's defense ministry reported 660 Ukrainian drones were engaged. Ukraine's previous record was 556 drones on May 17th. This surpassed it by 18%. The attack reached roughly a dozen Russian regions, Crimea, and surrounding sea areas. Moscow was among the targets. Mayor Sobyanin confirmed 47 drones were down near the capital, with no reported casualties in the city. This attack came one day after President Zelensky publicly announced a declared 40-day influence operation aimed at pressuring Russia to end the war. The scale of this strike is not incremental. It represents the full industrial output of Ukraine's drone program hitting a single night. Second, the Kerch naval strikes. This is credible but still emerging. Ukraine's security service stated it struck Russian Navy ships and air defense radars at Kerch, naming the reconnaissance ships Volga and Vyatka and the ferry Petropavlovsk. Ukraine claims fires were started. Independent satellite confirmation is still pending. This is a single-source claim at this stage. Watch for OSINT and imagery verification in the next cycle. Third, Russia's counterstrikes. This is confirmed. Russia launched 189 drones into Ukraine overnight. Ukrainian forces intercepted 174, a 92% intercept rate. However, Russia also fired 7 Iskander-M ballistic missiles. 4 of those 7 got through Ukrainian air defenses. That is a 57% penetration rate on short-range ballistic missiles, systems that fly at hypersonic terminal speeds and are extremely difficult to counter without Patriot batteries. Confirmed casualties include 2 killed and 7 wounded in Kharkiv, 1 woman killed in Izium, and at least 19 additional wounded across Kyiv, Odessa, Zaporizhia, and Sumy regions. Fourth, the prisoner exchange. Confirmed, Russia and Ukraine exchanged 160 soldiers each on June 26. Both governments confirmed the swap. It signals back-channel contact remains open, even during maximum effort bombardment by both sides. Watch for satellite confirmation of the Kerch naval strikes. Watch for Russian mass retaliation following Ukraine's record attack. Moscow has pledged group strikes after major Ukrainian operations before. Monitor the Iskander-M penetration data. 4 out of 7 getting through in one night is a number Ukrainian air defense planners will be tracking urgently. And watch Zelensky's declared 40-day operation unfold. This is the most significant declared escalation posture from Kyiv in months. That's your War Brief Daily for June 27, 2026.